Are you ready to find your perfect escape? This charming 4-bedroom home in Starksboro, Vermont could be the one for you. The property spans over 9.6 subdivided acres, including the Boardman Creek that flows year-round into the New Haven River. Imagine picking fresh fruit, cozying up by the wood stove, or taking a peaceful walk down to the cabin. Ideal for an art studio, writer's retreat, or a quiet escape by the stream. The spacious breezeway not only connects the house and garage, but adds valuable storage space too. With natural wood finishes throughout, every room feels warm and welcoming. The kitchen is a chef's dream, complete with a large imperial stove and beautiful wood countertops. Upstairs, you'll find 4 bedrooms and 2 full baths, including a primary suite to retreat to at the end of the day. You're just minutes away from outdoor adventures, like hiking the Long Trail, skiing at Mad River Glen or Sugar Bush, and mountain biking. With a location only 10 minutes from the charming town of Bristol and a 30-minute commute to Middlebury or Burlington, this home offers the perfect balance of country living and convenience. Your Vermont retreat awaits. Schedule a showing today.